Hello everyone and welcome back to the Crypto Addiction. Before we dive into the video, don't forget to subscribe for all the latest news about cryptocurrency. Why you should own at least 2,000 Tron TRX. There are lots of reasons why you might want to invest in Tron TRX, but if you are still skeptical, in this video will enlighten you about the Tron's uniqueness. In today's video, I will show you why you need to own at least 2,000 Tron. The primary purpose behind the creation of Tron is to empower creators and originators of online content to have equal say in how their creation should be shared and as well as remunerated. For the better part of 10 years, such decisions have been reserved for the powerful elite and high market cap corporations such as Google, Facebook, and other technology giants. With such an injustice to artists who have paid a fraction of what they are worth, Tron aims to rewire the infrastructure of the internet. This would embolden users of content to determine the amount of money that needs to be paid to creators through decentralized applications running on the Tron Network. Tron offers a unique platform that can facilitate such payments instantly and securely. What's more, all the transactions which would be processed on the network come with an average fee of $0. It's free. So why should you have at least 2,000 Tron today? One Tron's roadmap paints a picture of growth. You can tell the direction of cryptocurrency is likely to take by looking at its roadmap. Any missed milestones without an explanation should be a red flag. In the case of Tron, every milestone in its white paper has been met up to this point. Some of its aspects of the roadmap in 2021 and beyond are as below. Great Voyage phase from July 2020 to July 2021. Tron is currently in a Great Voyage part of its roadmap. In this phase, Tron is focused on building individual capabilities of building ICOs on the Tron blockchain. Tron is also working on clearing up all issues related to dividends, supports, and determining how to measure incomes on this blockchain. Star Trek phase, April 2023 to September 2025. From April 2023 to September 2025, Tron will enter the Star Trek phase of its development. This phase will entail the development of a decentralized gaming platform. The goal is to help developers in monetizing their games in a fully decentralized environment. Eternity phase, September 2025 to September 2027. This will be the final phase of Tron blockchain roadmap. Once this phase of the roadmap is completed, developers will be in a position to crowdfund for the development of their games. It will open up the gaming market by letting investors have a stake in the various games developed on Tron. 2. Tron has real-world use cases and several mainstream partnerships. As a result of Ethereum being the first mover coupled with Cardano's no-use case, which has seen many analysts tag it as a ghost chain. Many crypto skeptics have asked questions such as, is Tron a pyramid scheme? Does Tron have a future? Is Tron a scam? And most importantly, what are the credible partnerships the company has formed which has tremendous impact on its authenticity? In the days of the pandemic, where the financial market was brought to a standstill, Tron continued to make partnerships. One of the partnerships was with Samsung. In April 2020, Samsung announced that it would dedicate a section on its Galaxy Store for decentralized protocols or applications, DApps, which were developed on the blockchain of Tron. Considering Samsung is one of the three smartphone giants globally along with Apple and Huawei, Tron DApps will be accessible by millions of users. To be more specific, as per data received from Newzoo, the world's most trusted source of game and esports analytics and market research, there were 992.4 million active Samsung users as of March 2020. Out of this, 400 million users patronize the Galaxy Store every month and download more than 450 million applications, including Tron's, across 188 countries worldwide. Other partnerships include Coin Payments, which has over 2.2 million merchants across 182 countries that have integrated TRX as an option of payment. Opera Browsers is among the top 5 web browsers in the world and has more than 320 million users. Opera supports the novel token of Tron, Tronix TRX, as a result of its Ledger Capital partnership. With more than 320 million people getting a chance to use decentralized applications on the Tron network, new use cases are going to bring new activities on the trading patterns of TRX. This will increase true investors have the digital asset and its technology, which will lead to more adoptions in the future. Such partnerships bode well for the future of TRX as a tradable novel token. 3. Tron is a strong developer team. The developer team behind a cryptocurrency can make or break it. In the case of Tron, the team is one of the best in crypto space. Not only did they come up with one of the most scalable blockchains, they are also regularly working to make it adaptable to changing needs in the market. For instance, they managed to integrate Tor with BitTorrent, and in the process widen the scope used for this blockchain, which has a strong team, It is not hard to see why Tron has a good future ahead. The team is one of the best reasons to invest in Tron now. If you're holding TRX, I strongly believe you're holding for the long term. My long-term prediction for TRX is $2 by 2025. If this prediction is correct and Tron manages to trade at $2 by 2025, your initial investment of $2,000 times $0.06117 equals $122.34. Could be worth $2 times by 2,000 equaling $4,000. This is a massive return on investment. How many of you believe that this prediction is possible? Let me know in your comments below. Tron TRX opened on the 4th day of September at 0.001091 and closed the day by exchanging hands for 0.001091 with 3,010 trade volume for the day. At the change in price at the end of the month, Tron TRX increased substantially in price to close December 31st, 2017 at a price of 0.0579. In the process, TRX gained 5,207.06% for investors. On January 5th, 2018, Tron TRX reached an all-time high of 0.03004. Following this was an important step by moving away from Ethereum's 1.0 network, where it functioned as an ERC-20 token, and switching to its protocol, an independent peer-to-peer network. The year 2018 was difficult for all cryptocurrencies since Bitcoin BTC plummeted when facing with strong opposition in terms of bans of cryptocurrencies by Japan in 2018 and early on September 2017 by China. Tron TRX opened strongly on the first day of January 2018 with a price of 0.10000 and closed the second quarter and half of the year, June, at the price of 0.0380. TRX ended 31st December 2018, exchanging hands for 0.0201. In the process, TRX followed the bearish season of 2018 for cryptocurrencies and shed 79.9% of its opening price, leading to losses for investors. The bubble returned for cryptocurrencies in 2019, with BTC leading the way. Unfortunately, Tron was not part of the altcoins, which followed the bullish patterns of the parent crypto. At the end of January 2019, Tron has crossed the 1 billion mark in terms of capitalization. With the adoption of this coin has garnered over the years, I have no doubt this coin will have a bright future ahead. Our verdict: this is one of our favorite coins, because the potential of Tron going to have is huge, and you can get it now in cheap. Currently, it's floating around $0.06117. Their aim is to create a decentralized blockchain-based internet where games, messaging apps, social media, and other forms of content are controlled by the people and no longer monopolized by large US tech firms such as Facebook, Twitter, Apple, and Google. Justin Sun, the founder of Tron, has timed his project well, and it seems to be backed by a little dream team of Chinese investors, business partners, and advisors. Thanks for watching the video. Have a nice day.